The solution for this example, first thing, get it into a table form. Now because of all the blanks, please don't let Excel guess. You'll see I clicked in that first cell, I went right to the bottom, hover over here, hold my shift key down, click the mouse, and it highlights everything, all 7,000 rows. I'm going to put it into a table format. I'm going to say OK, so we have that data. Let's now get it into PowerQuery, so from a table or range. Now we know that what we were interested, column N is column 14, that's the one that we need to focus on. As you'll see down here, there's column 14. Depending on whether we need these headings or not, for now I'm going to ignore them. All I'm going to say is I only want to see a row, so I'm going to click on here, where it's not a null. It's always useful just to look down here, there's all different numbers, that's fine. But what we're saying is we only want to see it if it's not a null. When I say OK, you'll see immediately things look much cleaner. And actually that's it for now. We could maybe rename all the columns depending what information we need. But that's pretty much it. So we can close and load. And you'll see we've gone very quickly from that to this. And this can now be used elsewhere.